Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Sign in to Scopus using institutional credentials or your personal account now. Use your library proxy or VPN when off campus. Confirm you have full access to abstracts and citations before searching. Choose the subject areas you will focus on for your search. Decide an initial date range, for example 2018 to 2024, to limit results. Choose document types like articles or reviews to refine the dataset. These steps prepare your session for efficient and reproducible searching. Open the Advanced Search panel to construct precise Boolean queries now. Combine keywords using or, and not operators to shape your results. Put multi-word phrases in quotes, such as machine learning to match exact phrases. Use parentheses to group clauses and control logic in complex queries. Add wildcards like asterisk or to capture plurals or variant spellings. Include controlled terms and author keywords when possible for higher recall and precision. Test and iterate queries. After running your query, apply filters to narrow the result list quickly. Filter by year range, document type, subject area, affiliation, and language as needed. Use the Analyze Results tool to find top authors, journals, countries, and trends in the dataset. Open Citation Overview to examine citation counts and growth over chosen periods. Select relevant records manually or in bulk and choose export options like CSV, RIS, or BibTX. Save your search as an alert to receive updates on new matching publications automatically.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.